Welcome everyone! Today we're gonna learn how to create buttons on Monday Hero. Buttons are the most used components in apps and they have app-specific actions. They can have a title, background, or image as property or class. They may include more than one property or both properties at the same time. For example, a button with an image, a button with a title, and buttons with a title and background. Let's see how to create these buttons on Monday Hero together. For example, there is an icon here. Icons are good examples of image buttons. Monday Hero automatically understands the icon as a UI image view. To create a button from this, with the right click, create new instance of system, click button. The image is the UI image view. This property is automatically selected by Monday Hero. Let's give a variable name. Click Finish. Image button, it's a UI button now. Let's create a button with a title. Monday Hero automatically understands the text as a UI label. To create a button from this text, with the right click, create new instance of system, click button. The title is the text displayed over the button. Here the title is our UI label. Let's write a variable name, title button, and click Finish. Now the title button is a UI button. Now let's create a button with two properties. To create a cancel button, select both of them. As you can see, there is border and text here. To create a button from this text and border, with the right click, create new instance of system, click button. The background is the UI image view. The cancel button border is the background as highlighted. The background of the button can be either an image or it can be a view like a rectangle. And the cancel text is a title. Let's write a variable name, cancel button. Click Finish. Now the cancel button is a UI button. To create a continue button, select continue text, it's a UI label, select the UI view as a background, select both of them, with the right click, create new instance of system, click the button. Now the background is UI image view as automatically selected by Monday Hero, and the title is the UI label, and our UI label is the continue text. Let's write a variable name, continue button, click Finish. Now the continue button is the UI button. Buttons have some properties as we talked. If you use Monday Hero, you don't have to code them because these properties are automatically coded by Monday Hero. Let's examine the continue button code. Continue button, copy. We can see continue button codes in here. As you can see, continue button has the radius of the corner. It automatically coded by Monday Hero. You don't need to code it again. Continue button.layer.corner radius is 30. And you can see other properties. Title color, title label, background color, and other properties, all of them created for you by Monday Hero. Today, we examined how to create a button and add a property or class on Monday Hero. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications to stay up to date. See you in the next video. Good luck as a Hero developer.